Okay, this lesson will address the equation of tangent line. How to find the equation of a tangent line. We should remember that the equation of a line passing through some point x1, y1 with slope m is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. This is sometimes called the point-slope formula of a line. You can get it straight off the definition of slope, but we're going to use that formula. We're going to recall that formula in order to help us get the equation of a tangent line. Let's find a line tangent to f of x equals cosine of x. In other words, the line tangent to the cosine wave function when x is equal to pi 6. Now, we're dealing with f of x equals cosine of x, but remember that we need a point and the slope. We need a point and the slope. So here's our function. First thing we need is the point. Well, it's tangent when x equals pi 6, right? We're trying to find the line tangent when x equals pi 6. So we'll plug in pi 6 and evaluate the function at pi 6 in order to find the point of tangency. Well, this function, when we evaluate pi 6, we get the square root of 3 over 2. Cosine has a value of square root of 3 over 2 when x is pi 6. So this is the point of tangency. Our x1, y1, the point of tangency is pi 6, comma, square root of 3 over 2. Now, the next thing we will need is the slope of the line. Well, the slope will be given by the derivative. So, let's find the derivative of cosine of x. Well, the rule for the cosine of x is that its derivative is equal to the opposite of sine of x. And now, this is a formula that will give us the slope of any of the tangent lines at any x value, but we're concerned with the line that's tangent when x is pi 6, so we'll plug in pi 6 in order to find out the slope at that particular point. So minus sine of pi 6. Well, the sine of pi 6 is equal to a half, and so we find out that our slope, remember this is the slope of the line that's tangent at pi 6, is negative 1/2. So we have a point, we have the slope, we're ready to substitute into the point slope formula. Now, let's reinterpret the symbols in the point slope formula. X sub 1 is going to be our pi 6, because we're interested in the slope, the tangent line that's tangent when x equals pi 6. Y sub 1 is the y value of the function evaluated at pi 6, so it's f of pi 6. And m is the slope, so it's the derivative of f evaluated at pi 6. Now plugging in, we have, oops, that's a minus. We found that this value was the square root of 3 over 2. We found that our slope was negative 1/2, and then we have x minus pi 6. I'll distribute the negative 1/2 and get negative 1/2 x plus pi 12, and we still have y minus the square root of 3 over 2 over here. And it's traditional to go ahead and put it in slope-intercept form, so I'll add the square root of 3 over 2 to both sides. We have y equals a negative 1/2 x plus pi 12 plus the square root of 3 over 2, and that is the equation of the line. You might add the constant there so that you have only 1x. I'm not sure this last step is worth it, but that would be pi plus 6 square roots of 3 over 12. And there's the equation of the line that is tangent to cosine of x when x equals pi 6.